Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 12th chapter area related to circles. First exercise, third sum. The given figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center onwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of a region representing gold scale is 21 centimeter. So the diameter of the innermost ring is given as 21 centimeter. And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So this width is given as 10.5. So each one will be 10.5 like that. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring areas. So we are asked to find the, so if it is gold, this area we have to find. Then for the red. So how to find the area of the red is, already we have found the area of the gold. So total area minus this gold area, when we subtract, we will get the area of this ring part alone. So like this we have to find for 5 regions. Okay. So first we will start with the innermost ring. Area of gold region. Area of gold region is, we know that area of the circle is pi r square. So the here 21 is the diameter. So radius is 21 by 2. So pi r square. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So we have to simplify this. 7 3 times here. Then 2, 11. So 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33 into 21 divided by 2. So when we simplify this, we will get the area of the inner ring. So 33 into 21. So this is 693 divided by 2. So 693 divided by 2 will be 3, 4, 6.5, 346.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of the gold ring. Now we will find the area of the red region. Area of red region is, formula is same only, pi r square. So pi r square means it will be along with this gold radius. So first we will calculate the whole area, then we will subtract the gold part that already we have found. Okay, is equal to pi r square. So this pi is 22 by 7 into radius will be, this is 21 by 2, that is 10.5 plus 10.5 will be the radius of that. So 10.5 plus 10.5 is, radius will be 21 for the red region, that is along with the gold. Okay. So into 21 into 21. So this is 3. So how to write this is pi r squared. First we will find the whole region. Red plus gold we will find. Then we will take the gold. We will get only the area of the red part. Okay. So how to write it is, area of red region including, this is including gold. So this one will be 66 into 21. So we will keep this as it is. Now we will find the area of the red part alone. So area of the red part, red region. Area of red region is equal to full area, that is 66 into 21 minus area of this gold region. That is, we will take this as 693 by 2. 693 by 2. So when we simplify this, we will get the area of the red region alone. So this is 66 into 21 will multiply 66. So this is 1386 minus 346.5. So 346.5. So this will be 593. 1039.5. So 1039.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of the red region alone. So the same way we have to do for the other parts also. So area of blue region. area of blue region is equal to pi. So this blue region radius will be 10.5 plus 10.5, 21. 21 plus 10.5, it is 31.5. So 31.5 the whole square minus pi into this area, that is 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21. 21 square. Okay. So this is 22. This 22 by 7 will take it common. So 31.5 the whole square minus 21 square. So we get 1732.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of the blue region. So when we find the square of this 31.5 the whole square minus 21 square and subtract it and simplify it with 22 by 7, we will get 1732.5 centimeter square. So this one blue region we found. Now next comes black. So area of black region. Area of black region is equal to pi into. So for black we are having this 21. Again one more 21 we are having. So 21 plus 21 is 42. So that is 42 square minus. So this is 10.5, 10.5, 21. 21 plus 10.5 is 31.5. 31.5 the whole square. So again when we simplify this, so this is 22 by 7, and when we find the square of this 42 square and 31.5 square, subtract it, then multiplying it by 22 by 7, we will get 2425. 2425.5 centimeter square we will get. So this is area of the black region. Now finally we will find for the white region. So area of white region. Area of white region is equal to pi into. So for white, so this is 10.5, 10.5, 21. So this is also 21. 21 plus 21 is 42. 42 plus 10.5. 42 plus 10.5 is 52.5. Okay. So that is 52.5 the whole square minus, we will take all the remaining things, that is 21 plus 21, that is 42 square. 42 square. So when we simplify this, this is 22 by 7 and finding the square of 52.5 the whole square minus 42 square and multiply it by 22 by 7 will get, so is equal to 3118.5 centimeter square, that is 3118.5 centimeter square. So only formula is area of the circle. So how we have to find it, that only we have to understand. Okay, thank you.